Rising like a mythical phoenix from the glistening waters of the Arabian Gulf, this architectural masterpiece proudly flaunts its 7-star status, a star rating bestowed upon only the most exceptional destinations. Nestled against the azure backdrop of Dubai's breathtaking coastline, stands a symbol of sheer luxury and refinement, unparalleled in its grandeur. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to be enchanted by the legendary Burj Al Arab, the epitome of elegance and the crown jewel of hospitality. Welcome to Luxury at Large. The iconic Burj Al Arab has graced the Dubai skyline since 1999. This extraordinary hotel was commissioned by the visionary Sheikh of Dubai, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, at an estimated cost of a staggering $1 billion. One might ponder why a sheikh would invest such a fortune in constructing a lavish hotel. The answer lies in his profound understanding that Dubai needed to be recognized globally for more than just its oil reserves. Throughout his rule, Sheikh Al Maktoum dedicated himself to diversifying the economy and transforming Dubai into a luxurious haven for discerning millionaires from across the globe. The Burj Al Arab, a monumental architectural masterpiece, began its construction in 1994. Its name, Arabian Tower, barely captures the awe-inspiring magnificence of this hotel. Soaring 920 feet above the city, it stands gracefully on an artificial island, resembling a majestic sail emerging from the crystal-clear waters. To ensure its stability, an intricate network of 250 concrete columns extends 140 feet beneath the sea. Meticulous craftsmanship eliminates any safety concerns. A luxurious vacation at this enchanting destination offers 2 extraordinary entrances. Choose the opulent experience of a complimentary Rolls-Royce chauffeur from the airport, or opt for an exclusive arrival on the hotel's top-floor helipad via your private helicopter. Whichever option you select, prepare for an unparalleled paradise. Upon entering the awe-inspiring lobby, your senses awaken to a world of vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and sumptuous textures. The focal point is a cascading stone fountain, choreographing a captivating spectacle with water mist and fiber optic illuminations. Gilded columns, opulent features, and lavish gold-adorned furnishings beckon you into a realm of indulgence and opulence at every turn. The hotel boasts 20,000 square feet of lavish gold leaf decorations, nearly half an acre of opulence. Throughout the lobby and beyond, floors adorned with statuarial marble, the world's most expensive, evoke the essence of Michelangelo's artistry. But the true magic unfolds upon check-in. Enter a stunning side room where a gracious attendant welcomes you with cold towels, rosewater coffee, and delectable snacks. As they handle your check-in, ascend leisurely beside a mesmerizing aquarium, one of 3 within the hotel. Step into the world's largest atrium, soaring at a remarkable 590 feet. It's a centerpiece, a fountain shooting water 130 feet in the air, matches the height of the renowned Bellagio fountain. Pass through the golden elevators, ascending to your room among the hotel's 202 accommodations. From lavishly appointed suites to extravagant delights, each moment is a testament to unparalleled luxury. The most basic room begins at $2,700 per night, a worthy investment in an unforgettable experience. Upon arrival, a dedicated butler awaits to ensure your seamless transition. Remarkably, each floor has its own butler, exemplifying the impeccable service. With a remarkable 6-to-1 employee-to-guest ratio, the attentive butlers possess an unrivaled ability to cater to your every need, starting from the moment you step into your room. Your personal butler offers a warm welcome, accompanied by fresh fruit. Every aspect is at your fingertips, controlled effortlessly by a remote. From the blinds to the television compartment, the lights, and the temperature control system. To reach the bedroom and bathroom, ascend a marble staircase adorned with fragrant rose petals. The bedroom is a haven of grandeur, featuring a magnificent mattress valued at $15,000. A sleep experience that surpasses all others. Crafted from eiderdown feathers meticulously hand-harvested from female ibis nests, the pillows and blankets offer unparalleled comfort. Eiderdown feathers are incredibly rare, with fewer duvets made from them each year than Lamborghinis produced. These native subarctic birds ensure that your blankets will keep you cozy throughout the night. Indulge in additional pleasures within the bedroom, where an attached sitting room awaits, adorned with luxurious furnishings. Curiously, a mirror graces the space directly above the bed, adding a touch of intrigue. The opulent bathroom offers a rain shower featuring 4 shower heads, a rejuvenating jacuzzi bathtub, and elegant gold columns. Elevating the experience further, each room provides a Hermes toiletry bag, complete with his or her perfumes. This, my friends, is merely the beginning, even the most basic room at Burj Al Arab. Well, if you want to max out your experience, then the most expensive room is for you. Priced at a remarkable $24,000 per night. This resplendent haven unveils 2 bedrooms adorned with lavish gold, marble, and captivating colors. Ascend the enchanting leopard print staircase, guiding you to the marvelous realm within. Discover a private dining room, elegantly accommodating 12 cherished companions, where laughter and gastronomic delights intertwine. A traditional Arabian-style living room awaits you to savor late-night tea sessions, while a dedicated movie room offers immersive entertainment. Expansive vistas of the shimmering waters grace your presence, enriching the experience further. The bedroom, straight out of an Arabian fairy tale, unveils a grand bed that gracefully rotates, infusing enchantment into your stay. But the wonders do not end with the furnishings. The suite includes a luxurious 24-karat gold iPad at your disposal, a private elevator granting access to all floors, and an attentive 24/7 butler catering to your every desire. If you seek culinary adventures beyond the suite, fear not. 9 exceptional restaurants await your choice, 3 of which offer sumptuous buffet-style dining. Indulge in Junsui, an Asian fusion paradise where dining begins at $142 per person. Witness the artistry of 25 chefs crafting gourmet delicacies at various cooking stations. Surrounded by a mesmerizing canopy of Swarovski crystals, for a taste of California-style cuisine poolside, Scape beckons with delectable and reasonably priced menu. But if you're seeking the pinnacle of culinary excellence at Burj Al Arab, well, Al Mahara is the right spot for you. The flagship restaurant of Burj Al Arab. Crafted by renowned Michelin chef Nathan Outlaw, this culinary gem serves exquisite local seafood, adorned with luxurious truffles and caviar. Even the complimentary bread delights with smoked salmon butter of unparalleled artistry. Each main course, like the salt-baked salmon, exceeds a value of $200, exemplifying the heights of fine dining. A dining room encircled by a stunning 260,000-gallon aquarium teeming with vibrant coral fish and lush plants. The ceiling, adorned in reflective gold, amplifies the room's opulence. Should a thirst for liberations beckon, ascend to the aptly named Gold on 27 via the gold and turquoise elevator. Here, a breathtaking bar awaits, offering panoramic views of Dubai, while gold chandeliers and cascading crystals envelop the entire space, leaving no doubt about its lavishness. Boasting an array of pools nestled within the sprawling 108,000 square foot terrace. One pool stands out with its beach area encircling the infinity pool, seamlessly merging with the ocean and the horizon beyond, evoking a truly breathtaking resort-like experience. Immerse yourself in luxury within 24 cabanas, including 8 regal cabanas fit for royalty. The royal cabanas offer air conditioning, a full bar, a delectable restaurant menu, dedicated butler service, and refreshing assortments of fruit. For those seeking an indoor aquatic sanctuary, the Talise Spa and Fitness Center on the 18th floor beckon. Separate area cater to both men and women, featuring glass-windowed saunas overlooking the ocean, tranquil massage rooms, invigorating ice-cold plunge pools, and soothing steam rooms. The infinity pool, adorned with mosaic tiles in calming blue and green hues, reflects the serene ambience. Romance takes center stage with the option to reserve the infinity pool for a moonlit swim, exclusively for you and your partner. Rose petals gently float on the water's surface, while champagne and strawberries await by the poolside, creating an unforgettable and intimate experience. Burj Al Arab wouldn't be called the world's only 7-star hotel without reason. Man, you're literally surrounded by grandeur and excellence within this hotel. What are the features of this magnificent hotel that made your eyes sparkle? Leave your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you want to know the brands only the wealthy can afford, click this video right here. Thanks!